How to add video backgrounds to sliders without coding. Video backgrounds can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your sliders. And the best part, you can add them without writing a single line of code. Start by opening your slider editor and selecting the slide where you want to add the video. Look for the background settings section. Choose the video option and upload your MP4 file or paste a link from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo if you're using a self-hosted file. Keep the resolution reasonable to avoid slow loading times. Enable autoplay and mute to ensure the video plays smoothly without sound distractions. You can also choose to loop the video so it keeps playing continuously. To maintain text readability, apply a dark overlay or blur effect on the video background. This ensures that your content stands out. Use mobile fallback options. Most platforms allow you to upload an image that displays instead of the video on devices where autoplay isn't supported. Preview your slider on all device views to make sure the video scales correctly and doesn't cut off. We've shared a helpful resource in the video description that includes stunning video slider templates you can start using right away. No coding needed.